Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For all your new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Is this your first time checking out the channel? This right here is my 1987 Buick Grand National with the GNX kit on it. And what we're doing today, we're going to replace turbos. Yep, we're getting rid of this 6765 ball bearing turbo. And we're going over to this 6766 turbo. This thing is massive. So we're going to be replacing that today. I really haven't tapped into the potential of this turbo right here. I think a lot of people say that you get the best performance at 27 pounds of boost. I only run at 21. So it's a lot more in this turbo. But I just want to go with that one right there. So without that being said, enough talking. What I got to do is going to remove my Terry Houston downpipe. And then we'll go from there. All right, this is how I'm going to do it. Like I said, I'm going to remove these bolts right here from the Terry Houston downpipe. Loosen them up a little bit. Removing all these 4 bolts right here that holds the downpipe to the housing right there. There's another one somewhere underneath here. It'll take a little bit longer. It's in the wrong, very difficult spot, and plus I don't have the right tool to get it off, so bear with me for a second. All right, now as you see, we got the downpipe off. Just had to remove those 4 bolts, and then plus there's like 4 more underneath about the catalytic converter. So now my next thing is I got to remove the intercooler pipe. So we'll get underneath here and remove that. All right, let's go ahead and remove these screws right here. Alright, now we'll get at the top and loosen those up, and we'll be able to take his intercooler pipe off from the turbo. Hopefully we can just remove this, but you know, ain't nothing easy. All right, the next thing I need to do, I need to remove this oil fitting line, and it's a 9/16. So we remove this. We're gonna remove this. Let's leave it laying right there. Next thing I want to do, I'm going to remove my intake pipe right there. So then I'll come All right, guys, we almost there. Woo. I just got to remove this intake pipe right here. And all we need to do now is just unbolt the turbo. And there's 3 bolts. So after we get that done, wait, we'll be good to go. Let me set this up so you guys can see. All right. See if we can get this undone. All right, guys, I got the 3 bolts out underneath. The next thing I need to do, I need to raise this up a little bit and get the return line off underneath there. So after that, this thing right here will be ready to come off. So let me get that done. I'll be right back. All right, guys, man, you wouldn't believe this. I just removed the turbo off. Oh my gosh, I got to show y'all the comparison. Oh my goodness, this is a real big difference. Real big difference. Check this out, fellas. Check this out. Look at the difference in these turbos. This is a new turbo I'm putting on, the 6766, and this is the 6765. Check out the difference. Let's measure this. Hold on, let me get a tape measure, and we're gonna measure this and see the difference in the these turbos. All right, look at the opening. Oh yeah, it's right around about 3-inch opening. 2. Right at 4. Right around 3. So you can see a big difference in the quality of this. I got this from Bison. Look at the quality of that. And this is the old one coming off. So before I get done, there's certain things I gotta remove. I gotta remove the fittings off. Certain things I gotta remove off of this old one and put on that one before I install it. But I'm so amazed on how this right here, how the different size it is. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get this put on. So all right, guys, let me get some stuff transferred over to the new turbo and get this thing installed, and we'll see if we can get us a test drive in. All right, guys, I got the turbo almost on, but now all I need to do, I need to clock my turbo to fit my intercooler pipe. So let's see here. I have to install my wastegate. I'm trying to mount this. All right, let me mount my intercooler pipe and get this situated. And I don't want to bore y'all with all this fitment that I have to do to align everything. So all I gotta do is just cock my turbo to align my intercooler pipe right here. That fits right here to make sure it lines up and everything. So I won't bore y'all with the detail. So as soon as I get that done, I'll be right with y'all guys. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's just the next day. I ran into some problem last night. installing the wastegate. Let me show you what happened. For some reason, the bracket that was sent with the turbo, I didn't have the correct bolts. So I made a phone call to Brian rather, and he said I had the wrong bolts. So I went out this morning and got the correct bolts to install the bracket to hold the wastegate. So I got that taken care of. So all I need to do now is just install this right here, and then we should be able to give it a test pass and see what it'll do. So it looks pretty nice. So far, it looks good. Real nice. But let's get this intake pipe on, and so we can get this thing going. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to adjust these clamps so I can have an easy access to taking them off if I need to take it off again. So I'm going to leave them down, facing towards me. Dang it, I didn't realize how big pipe this was. God. I didn't want to mess up that methanol line. Alright guys, I ran into another problem. Alright, I tried to connect the pipe, got that going, but this hose is not long enough to connect to the other pipe. So I'm gonna have to order another hose that's longer. But I'm thinking, just for test only, I'm going to remove my air filter from underneath there and just attach it to the pipe until I can get another hose that it can fit that. So I'm kind of anxious to get this thing going. I want to see what kind of power it puts down, see what the turbo will do. But this right here is the only thing that's still holding me up. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove the air filter and attach it to that just for test purposes. I'm not going to put that many miles on. I'm pretty sure it ain't going to affect nothing because I don't use a mass airflow sensor anymore. So I think it'll be okay. So let me get that done and I'll be right back with y'all guys. Okay, I just got to removing the air filter. So hopefully this right here give me enough room. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove all this. Give me a few seconds. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up. So this right here just let me just get an idea of what the turbo will do. This setup is not going to be like this. Like I say right now, I'm just patching it right now just to fire it up. Hopefully this filter will fit. If not, we got other issues. Okay. That filter's on. I think that'd be good enough right now. I'm only going down the street, so we'll see what it'll do. Because I'm getting close to running out of methanol, and the place where I got my methanol from, I don't know if they're open, so I really don't want to use up all the methanol. It's because It's about right here. And it's just good enough, but this right here is what we got going on. So I'm gonna double check everything. I still gotta put my RJC booster controller on. And then after that, we'll be ready to fire this thing up. All right, guys. Everything, I went over everything. Everything's tightened up. So it's time to start this thing up and see what it sounds like. Pretty good. Just now checking for leaks. A little bit of water coming from there. Gotta tighten these nuts up a little bit. Go check the fuel pressure. I mean, not the fuel pressure, the oil pressure. All right, oil pressure look good. All right. All right, there it goes. That's it right there. That's a 67, 66 turbo. It ain't hitting. All right, let's go give it a test drive. All right, guys, here's the first test drive with this new turbo on. I don't know what the boost is going to be on because I was fooling with it. So, as far as fooling with it, talking about the wastegate and stuff. So I think I messed up my boost setting because I did have it at 21 exactly. So if not, I'll probably just have to adjust my RJC controller. 13 and 14 pounds of boost, and it gets out there. In a minute, I'll flip the camera around so y'all can see. So, yeah, guys, I think we done. I think we got it. All right, guys, I'm gonna show y'all what I see. As if it's not too much traffic. Just half a throttle. It's not a full throttle that I'm getting it on, and it just keeps pulling and pulling, and that's at 14 pounds of boost. Mind you, I'm going to be running way above 20, 21, probably 25, 30 when I get my tires. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with, guys. Right now, this is just like a quick test pass. Oh my gosh, I'm very impressed. It feels like when I had the old turbo on, when I'm running 21 to 20 pounds of boost, this right here feels like it's pulling a whole lot harder than my old turbo. And that's a lot. And it's not even full boost, 14, 15 pounds. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope y'all really like the test drive. Hey, the car drives phenomenal. It is bad. It's really, I'm really impressed with the turbo. Like I say, I think this turbo with the low setting is still faster than the one I just removed. But yeah, guys, if you really like this video, you know, please like, share, subscribe. And if this is your first time watching my channel, hit that subscribe button and stay updated to the content. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be replacing the tires. I'm getting some Mickeys. Yeah, I'm getting Mickeys and I'm getting exhaust. So stay tuned for that. Y'all subscribe, don't miss out on all this content. So y'all stay safe out there. Peace.